morning. Today is gonna be quite a busy day. I'm quite excited. This is my actual second coffee of the day, but we didn't record me going to training at 6 a.m. Today was a leg day, so you already know the day was shit as f***. But this bad boy makes the best coffee ever. So let's get at it. Today we sold an Audi A4. The best part about it is that we did not even post the car online. Just a random guy calls me and says, "Oh, I want an Audi A4, but I want a limo." And I was like, "Do you have kids?" He was like, "Yes." I was like, "Don't buy the limo, you will regret it the same day." And he was like, "Yeah, but I don't like Avance." I was like, "Come check it out." He came, he saw the car. He's like, "Yeah, but I don't like the rims." So yesterday we swapped the rims. We put 19-inch rims, but the fact is that they're not homologated on the car. So now we're gonna send the homologation to the center. That's the best part about it. See, the client comes, we do everything to make the client feel happy. We arrange everything. They don't even have to think about anything. We swap the oil in the transmission. We're gonna chip the car, rearrange rims. Of course, that's some on our cost, some on his cost, but at the end of the day, the client is happy because they get every single part of the deal they wanted. Now he's 10 times happier, and he's definitely gonna bring all of his friends and family to buy cars from me. What else do you want, man? You can get it at only HK Car Market. So this is my lot. I paid 115-20k with VAT for it, and now I want to get out, and I can't because someone put his car and parked. Being nice up, because I always want to be a nice guy and always want to suit people. I always myself over each and every single time. What the fuck is wrong with this car, man? This is why nothing gets done ever in one day. I don't know what's wrong with... What the fuck is wrong with this car, man? I'm gonna lose my mind, I swear. So now we're going to the place that we mounted the rims on, and we're gonna take all of the certificates to put the rims onto the homologation. That usually costs around 40 to 50 euros. It's not even expensive, but you have to do it. Even right now, if the police stopped us, they have the right to take down the license plates. So keep that in mind and homologate everything. The tinted windows, rims, tires, whatever. Just always do it properly, and people will see in a matter of years that you are the right guy doing everything properly, you know. So if I look at the price, man, 74 euros, and I have discount with my professional card. If I do the math, the result is that Mark is gay. 57 euros. Fuck. The only reason I'm buying this is because the neighbors are a bit petty and they could sue me if somehow one of their kids would fall where we're working. So this is why I'm buying this. Sometimes I rather give 50 euros and just peace. Professional. This is a car we have for renting. This car is completely hammed. So we're gonna take this car, take it to the service shop, take a BMW 5 Series 2022, just got it delivered to us. So to take this car out, we have to remove 1, 2, 3 cars. Just take one car out, so let's do it. Job done. Only lost half an hour. Now we're going to a mechanic to take this car in because this car is completely demolished. Right now we're at our third caffeine drink, so a Red Bull. Oh, something is not... The car is not good. Yeah, we have to stop. A red light for coolant has just turned on. Today is not, I think, my day. But this is just a regular day with cars, I swear to God. This is why I always tell people, I look older because I work in this business, but I love this business, so it's okay. There's still water in it, so we can just turn the car, go back to the lot. This is why renting cars is hard, because each and every single person that takes this car just hams us to the floor all the time. Now we picked up the 5 Series. We're gonna take it to my cousin that has washing station or whatever should I call it. Also, the guy called for the material for the apartments. He was like, yeah, we can't deliver it today. And I was like, how do you mean you can't deliver it today? I'm paying my workers. They've come at 8 a.m. to start working. We're waiting for the material. I'm losing money here. And he was like, okay, we're gonna arrange something. There are no workers waiting anywhere. They called me from the financing company. You didn't arrange some papers correctly. Now you have to do them again if you want your money. I want my money, so I'm gonna do it. So see, I'm a slave to my money, if you look at it. So don't take advice from me. Go to the casino and gamble. Just taking the car from BMW service because ambient light wasn't working down and the plastic from underneath the car was like broken in half, and plus oil changed it. And with connections and with making friends, the whole thing costed us around 250 euros, which is cheap as f. So yeah, that's why you need to make friends everywhere you go, because you're gonna need a lot of people in this business. So welcome back to today's episode of Stealing Cars. Today we're gonna steal a BMW X5. I put papers like 1 week ago for all of the cars to be removed at 7 a.m. today because of the work we're gonna start. And guess how many people removed the car? 0. One option is I either call like the service to pick up the cars, or I just put all of the materials up front of their cars and they can move the cars. And I think I'm gonna do that because that's even worse. They're not gonna be able to do nothing with those cars, and I'm not gonna move 17 pallets. I think it's 11 tons of material, so good luck to them. They f themselves over. Neighbors love me so much that I'm gonna put a wall between me and them, so they don't love me so much, you know? Because they think that my property is for everybody and not for me. I just lost my mind. I'm fuming right now. I was this close to flipping out on them. They've been harassing me like for the past, like since I bought this thing, like always something wrong, always something not okay. And I was always kind, even when they were wrong, I was always kind, and they know that. But today was too much, man. Like they have known for the past week they have to remove the cars, and they still have not done that. I don't know what to do more than that. I was so kind, always, from the beginning. It's exhausting, and now I'm gonna change everything there. I'm never gonna allow one of their cars to be parked there, ever again. And this is how you have to be in life. You have to be precise and just tell them f off when it's the right time to do it. Because otherwise they will just step on you. Because they think I'm stupid. Like, yeah, I'm 22, but I'm smart. Like, I went to school, I finished, I have my diploma even. I have knowledge from actual life because I went through a lot of shit, you know, a lot of debts, a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff, bad stuff, a lot of suffering, a lot of working. So, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm so pissed. I don't know even what I'm talking right now. I'm just angry, like, kill everybody. Your car sold. Proper job done. Tuning done. Unlocking done. Everything done. New tires, new rims. Everything, man. The client is happy and so am I. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This was just a glimpse of my day-to-day life. You saw some moments, some you didn't, because of course I can't show everything. But yeah, this is how my day looks like. Maybe sometimes some clients come and check out cars. Today that wasn't the case. Other from that, yeah, thanks for watching. And if you like videos like this, we will make more of them. And just comment below what you want to see more. And we'll get it done, man. See you on the next video.